Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku Basel on July 15, 2023. 3-star Sudoku. Column B and 4th row we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Second row value 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Column D we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. The 6 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column B, column D we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 8th row value 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 8th row and 9th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then 7th grade 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column C 3 numbers are remaining 2, 7, 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column D we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade 2 numbers are remaining 3 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column D 2 numbers are remaining 7 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second row, third row we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Second row and 4th row we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. The 10th row 3 numbers are remaining 8, 9, 2. Column J we have 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 10th row only one number is remaining 2. 2 is confirmed here. 9th row column H we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column J and then 8th row we have pair numbers 8 and 9. So 8 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 5. Column H we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 8th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then column D only one number is remaining 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then first grade 2 numbers are remaining 6 and 7. Third row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 8th row 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 2. Column G we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column J 2 numbers are remaining 5 and 6. 5th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 6 is here. Then third grade 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 6. 4th row we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining 1 and 6. Column H we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then second row only 1 number is remaining 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4th row 2 numbers are remaining 4 and 7. Column E we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then second grade 3 numbers are remaining 1, 3, 5. Column E we have 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column D value 5. Sorry, column G value 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grade only one number is remaining 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column I 4 numbers are remaining 4, 5, 8, 9. 5th row we have 4 and 5. So 4 and 5 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 7th row we already have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then the column I, two numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 7th row and 5th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 6th grade, column G, column E, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Column G also we have 1, so 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 9th row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. In 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 9th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, only one number is remaining, 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 7. Column E, we get 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column C, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. 7th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 6th row, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 7th row, two numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 9. Column E, we have 6 and 7. So 6 and 7 can't come in the cell, it will come in another 2 cells. Column G already is 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 9th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.